They think they can trick you. They think their fake smiles, their polished lies, their carefully rehearsed stories will work on you the same way they work on everyone else. They believe you will bend, doubt yourself, or play along like the others. But you are not built that way. Your mind is sharp, ruthless, unshakable. It doesn't get distracted by pretty words or hollow promises. It cuts straight through the noise like a blade slicing through paper, while others laugh nervously, hoping not to notice the red flags. You see everything, every hesitation, every contradiction, every mask, and that is what terrifies them, because a liar survives on blindness, a manipulator feeds on confusion, a joker thrives when the audience plays along. But you don't play, you don't clap, you don't follow their script. You stand there, calm, watching, unbothered, and their world begins to crumble. No one deceives you, no one bends your will, and no one, no matter how clever they believe they are, can hide from your ruthless mind. Deception always wears a costume. Sometimes it's charm, sometimes it's flattery, sometimes it's pity. The liar knows how to smile at the right moment, how to speak just enough truth to cover their lies, how to act innocent while pulling strings in the shadows. They are performers, jokers on a stage. Their strength comes from illusion. Most people never question the performance. They get hypnotized by the words, the gestures, the promises. They ignore the strange feeling in their gut, the small cracks in the story, the things that don't quite add up. They silence their own instincts because the mask looks convincing. But you are not like them. You don't fall for the costume. You don't swallow the script. Your mind strips away the act and sees the naked truth underneath. You hear the false tone beneath the laughter. You notice the hesitation before the excuse. You spot the contradiction no one else pays attention to. And the deceiver hates that, because your awareness is poison to their game. One look from you, one question from you, 1 second of silence from you, and their whole illusion starts to crack. They realize the play is over before it even begins. Awareness is your shield. It is your weapon. Most people walk blind, drifting through conversations, believing what they are told without question. But you see deeper. You catch the details that others miss. You don't just hear the words, you hear the silence between the words. You don't just look at the face. You notice the mask slipping around the edges. Every liar has patterns. Their stories bend and twist, but never perfectly. Their eyes shift. Their tone changes. Their laugh is just a little too forced. And while most ignore these signs, you lock onto them instantly. To you, deception is loud, obvious, almost laughable. This is what makes your mind ruthless. You don't need proof handed to you. You don't need someone else to confirm what you already know. Your instincts are sharp and they rarely miss. The deceiver can call you paranoid, they can mock you, they can act offended, but inside they are afraid because they know you've seen the truth they worked so hard to bury, and that truth terrifies them. Your awareness exposes what they cannot hide. Your clarity leaves no shadows for them to crawl into. While others get tangled in lies, you stand untouched, watching, calculating, and in that silence, they realize the game is already lost. When they realize you can't be fooled, they don't stop. No, they shift strategies. They reach into their bag of tricks, hoping something, anything, will work on you. First comes flattery. They praise you, smile at you, make you feel special. They hope soft words will lower your guard. But your mind doesn't melt for compliments. You hear the empty tone behind their praise, and you know it's bait. When that fails, comes the guilt trip. After everything I've done for you, why are you being so difficult? They twist kindness into chains, trying to make you feel responsible for their comfort. But guilt does not move you. You see it for what it is, a desperate attempt to control. Next, they play the victim. They cry, they complain, they act fragile. Suddenly, you're the villain for daring to see through them, but you stay calm. You know this act too well. Victimhood is just another mask, another illusion. And when nothing works, they escalate to anger, accusations, shouting, insults. They throw noise at you, hoping chaos will distract you. But you don't break, you don't flinch. You stand steady, and their rage exposes them even more. This is why manipulators hate you, because every tactic in their book, flattery, guilt, pity, rage, collapses in your presence. They have rehearsed these games for years, but against your ruthless clarity, every move fails, and nothing frightens a deceiver more than the moment they realize their tricks have no power over you. You don't shout, you don't argue, you don't waste your breath trying to convince a liar of the truth. That is their game, and you never play their game. Instead, you stand still, calm, silent, watching, and that silence destroys them, because manipulators thrive on reaction. They want you angry, they want you confused, they want you tangled in their drama, but you give them nothing. You strip them of the stage they crave, and without it, they crumble. Your response is ruthless because it is controlled. You know the truth doesn't need defending. It doesn't need loud arguments or endless explanations. The truth is a mountain. It stands tall whether anyone believes it or not, and you stand with it. So while they scramble to cover their lies, you observe. While they raise their voices, you remain steady. While they twist the story, you let them trap themselves in their own contradictions. And in the end, it is not you who looks weak, it is them. This is your power, not reacting, not bending, not letting their noise shake your foundation. Your ruthless mind doesn't just resist manipulation, it exposes it. And that exposure is what breaks them. Manipulators are not afraid of truth itself. They are afraid of people who can see it. Most people are easy to control because they crave comfort. They want to believe the lie if it feels safe. They ignore the red flags because the illusion is easier than reality. That's what liars count on. That's how jokers survive. But you are different. You don't chase comfort, you chase clarity. You don't hide from truth, even when it's ugly. And that makes you dangerous to them because they can't sell you illusions. They can't pull strings in the dark. They can't slip masks past your ruthless mind. They fear you because your presence is a mirror. You force them to see themselves for what they are. Every lie they speak bounces back at them. Every fake smile shatters under your gaze. You don't even have to expose them to others. Your very awareness is enough to unravel their performance, and that's what terrifies them most, the loss of control. A manipulator without control is nothing. A liar who cannot deceive is powerless. And when they stand before you, when they realize none of their tricks work, panic sets in. Their voice shakes, their stories collapse, their mask slips, because deep down they know the truth. You are the one person they cannot fool. Every lie has an expiration date. No matter how polished, no matter how rehearsed, no matter how carefully constructed, it cannot last forever. Lies are fragile. They are built on shifting ground, and the weight of truth always crushes them in time. At first, the liar looks confident. They perform with energy, with charm, with conviction. People clap, nod, and believe, but you watch quietly. You notice the cracks forming before anyone else does. The stories that don't match, the excuses that change, the details that never add up. You see it all, and you know it's only a matter of time. Then comes the breaking point. The mask slips. The story collapses. The performance falls apart. And suddenly, the liar is scrambling, desperate to cover the wreckage, but it's too late. The illusion is shattered, and everyone can see what you already knew. This is where you rise above them, because while they fall with their collapsing lies, you stand unshaken. You never needed their approval. You never bought into their act. You walked with truth from the beginning, and that truth carried you through the storm. Deceivers hate this part the most, not the collapse itself, but the fact that you predicted it, that you were steady when others were blind, that you were the last one standing when the smoke cleared. And that is the ultimate humiliation for a manipulator, to realize that their greatest weapon, deception, is powerless against you. Victory doesn't always look like shouting louder. It doesn't always mean winning arguments or proving people wrong. Sometimes victory is silence. Sometimes it is walking away. Sometimes it is standing tall while the liars drown in the mess they created. That is your mindset. You don't chase battles with jokers. You don't waste energy proving yourself to manipulators. Why? Because you already know the truth. And the truth doesn't need an audience to shine. It stands unshaken with or without applause. Your strength comes from choosing dignity over drama, from knowing when to step back instead of stepping down, from refusing to lower yourself into their chaos. That's what makes you untouchable. You don't fight dirty because you don't need to. You fight smart by not fighting at all. This is why you always win, not because you overpower them, but because you refuse to be part of their game. You walk away with your mind clear, your spirit intact, and your head held high. And in that silence, in that refusal to play, lies your greatest power. Liars, manipulators, jokers, they depend on control. They thrive on pulling strings. But when you cut the strings, when you refuse to dance, they are exposed for what they truly are: weak, desperate, powerless. And you walk away victorious.